Andrea Anderson from Your Marketing Machines, and today we're going to be talking about step number 6 of the 7 critical success factors of marketing. And today we're actually talking about people, talking about the number of people that are actually referred to you from your current business. Here's what's really interesting. Whenever I talk to a lot of my clients on a daily basis, one of the aspects that they tell me about their business success is the number of people that are actually referred to them from either current clients, ex-clients, or people who actually know, trust, and like what the product and services that is being delivered, as well as deliver themselves. So the question I need to ask you is this: do you have a specific referral strategy in place for your business? Have you actually identified the power that you can create and the success you can create from having a strong, robust, yet flexible referral strategy where it gives your referrers confidence that you know how to deliver to the people they recommend? Very important question. The second element of referral that I want you to actually consider, and that is the dollar value attached to referrals. Have you actually sat down and calculated the value of a referral to you? If not, then that's something that we can discover and discuss in step number 7. So, for more information about referral strategies and about how to increase that for your business, reach out to us on www.yourmarketingmachines.com.au so one of our consultants can reach out to you.